And the next pair, it's going to be Eddie Krawiec riding that Vance and Hines bike, and Kelly Clontz. Eddie Krawiec, Mission Foods, back on Suzuki's this year. The Vance and Hines folks, the first factory support they ever had with Suzuki. And they are back with Suzuki this year and feeling pretty good about it. Terry and Byron in the Motorsports Hall of Fame of America. They were inducted earlier this year. Kelly Clontz riding for the 602 Steam Fitter. She's over here on the right side of the racetrack. Just doesn't have quite enough bike for Eddie Krawiec. 6.772, 200.56 miles an hour. Kelly goes 684 at 196. Kelly makes her best run of the weekend, but it just wasn't quite enough. Eddie's got that thing running pretty hot right now. 6.772 for the win.